Hey, how's it going, guys? I just wanted to make a video real quick, kind of going over Google Analytics and why you might want to consider using that as an affiliate. Let me see here if I can. I'm not going to be able to show you my screen. I might make another video where I show you my screen and kind of go through Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager and some of the resources that I use in order to learn this stuff, um, just to get started. First of all, it really just opened my eyes to what it really means to be a good affiliate marketer, to actually understand where your clicks are coming from, to coming up with campaigns, and um, just really tightening everything, the process itself, when it comes to uh, actually dominating as an affiliate marketer. So on top of that, it took 2 or 3 days, maybe max, for me to start seeing results and being able to measure things that I wasn't previously measuring. So if you're considering doing the whole Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, and just diving into data and kind of getting a handle on it, please let me know. I'm going to, well, I guess you can go to the comment section of this blog post and check it out. And if you're watching this on YouTube, you can go to um, the blog. You can leave a comment on the video itself, or go to the blog post and leave a comment. Um, but yeah, I'm thinking about actually either linking out to the people that I used or creating my own content, just kind of showing my entire journey from start to finish. Because you guys know how I am with this whole site. I just want to make sure that it's relatable, that I'm making this for beginners from a beginner standpoint. And sometimes whenever you're getting coaching online, it doesn't really take that into account as well. But anyways, this stuff comes naturally to me. I'm really, really happy and excited to have found that out. But it's somewhere where you're going to see a lot more heavy emphasis on making decisions based on data moving forward for Blue Highlighted Text as a company, for sure. All right. Thanks, guys. Peace.